What? Whoever had this bike before me, and I know who you are, stripped all these bolts out. 1, 2, 3.
Welcome back to the channel, my beautiful friends. Frankie and I are taking our morning walk at our favorite park to physically and mentally prepare ourselves for today's work. In today's video, we're going to be tearing apart the rest of this bike. We're going to take the rear fender off and the gas tank off and get everything prepped and find a place to paint this bike. She loves the snow and cold. And yes, my female dog name is Frankie. Frankie is short for Frankenstein, the perfect female dog name. She was born on, and I know you've already done the math, Halloween. I assume most YouTube creators also watch a lot of YouTube, and I'm no different. One of the things I love about it is it satisfies my soul to see normal people getting stuff done. Which is why this Harley build has been such a double-edged sword for me. Aren't all swords double-edged? What would a single-edged sword be like? On one hand, it's super satisfying to restore something that would otherwise end up in a dump. On the other hand, it seems like it's never-ending amount of work. Every time I try to fix something, I find something else that's broken, and I keep getting further and further away from completing this project. With that said, I am steadfast in my mission, and let's get to work.
All right, friends, it is time to take those stripped bolts out, and I am going to use this bolt extraction kit, which I've used exactly 0 times. So I have no idea how to use it or what to do, but we're just gonna dive right in and try to figure it out. Epic fail. I guessed wrong on the size. On to plan B. Turns out I don't have a plan B, so we gotta think of a plan C. It's important to note that this is not a dramatization. This is real life events unfolding before your very eyes, as scary as that may be. But this is how DIY projects go. You try something, it fails, you head to Home Depot. So let's go. I am back from Home Depot. A couple different options I got. Another extraction kit. I don't know why I think that one will work and the other one wouldn't. If that fails though, we want angle grinder with cutoff wheels. I've seen people cut slots in the bolt heads and just put a flathead screwdriver in there and turn them out. So if the extraction kit doesn't work, we'll try the angle grinder. But it makes me nervous though, because I don't want to damage the chrome face of this particular bracket. If I cut too deep, I'm gonna screw that up. You know, I was thinking on the ride to Home Depot about how this particular setback reminds me of a book I read called The Obstacle is the Way by Ryan Holiday. He is a author who kind of studies Stoic philosophers of yesteryear. And the crux of the book is every obstacle in life presents an opportunity, and we should work as hard as we can to find that opportunity in those obstacles and not to be a victim of our circumstances. So that's what I'm doing here. This is clearly a setback, but I need to find the opportunity that it presents. I'll let you know if I find that. All right, enough of that. Let's get to work. Looks like that's gonna do the trick. I was just doing a quick cleanup of the garage and realized this bike is slowly or quickly taking over my life. I mean, there are parts everywhere. I gotta get this stuff organized. Ideally, we would want to get them back on the bike and get the bike out of here, but that's a few months away. So admittedly, that took a lot more effort than I thought to get that rear fender off. And I'm quickly running out of weekend. So I think this is gonna be it for this video. In the next video, I promise we're gonna get this gas tank off, and I have a bunch of parts I gotta package up to send back. Like the lower triple tree that was no good from eBay, and those fork sliders, those fork tube cover slider things. I didn't like the way they looked, so I ordered a new chrome set directly from Harley. Since we gotta wait anyways for that lower triple from Harley, might as well order those too. So I gotta send those old ones back. As always, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe and leave a comment below if you want. If not, no pressure, no pressure. As always, please, peace and love. Thanks.